Today I'm bringing you a mystery charity shop haul. I've got 3 bags full of goodies. They all cost £5 each. It has a list on the front of items that you could possibly find in here. So we've got clothing, accessories, homeware and a book. Unfortunately, my dogs have already got into the mystery here and had a little go at what's inside. I've kindly asked my partner to put everything back as it kind of was, so it doesn't spoil my mystery. I don't have any idea what's in these bags, even though it kind of looks like I've had a bit of a sneak peek and couldn't wait any longer. I do have patience. These have been sat in my study room for over a month now. I've been really poorly, really run down, and I've only just managed to pick up the courage to actually sit and film a video for you guys. So yeah, my dogs got a little bit impatient with these bags just sort of being sat there and had a little nibble out of them. So sorry about the quality of the bag. This is what life with dogs is about, really. As you can see, I've got another bag here. The dogs have just completely ripped off the packaging and just had a real go at the front there. So apologies about that. But yeah, I didn't plan for this video to obviously look like this, but yeah, perfection isn't always guaranteed on my channel. And yeah, I've got another bag here, again slightly ripped and attacked by my dog, so yeah, that's a bit of fun. I love a good old surprise. I love like these little hidden things that you come across when you're going out shopping. Just makes it really fun and just a cool way to donate to charity at the same time. When I came across these mystery bags, I was super excited, and I just feel like it's a fun new way to try and find things in a charity shop and just see what you kind of pick up, really, and for a bargain hopefully. Let's head into bag number 1. I'm going to go for the bag that's basically half open already. Like I said, all these bags contain the similar amount of things. So 6 items of clothing, an item from homeware, accessories and a book. I'm not a heavy book reader, but if there's something in there that catches my eye, I'll definitely try and give it a read. So the first item in this bag is obviously an item of clothing, I believe. It's a black kind of like crocheted top. Perfect for summer, to be honest with you. Let's see if you've got any tags on it, just to see out of curiosity where it's from. Doesn't actually say, but it just says it's a size 12. I feel like this would be nice over a bikini for the summer, and yeah, just be a nice kind of like layering piece to wear over a tank top, so very happy with that. My next item is possibly a dress. I think it's a playsuit. This one is from Pull & Bear in a size medium, and it's a black and floral playsuit there with the shorts, as you can see. Really, really nice, something different, something I wouldn't normally pick up in a charity shop. But I feel like I can make this work with a pair of tights, pair of boots and a nice long coat for winter. I feel like that'd be quite a fun outfit. Love that. I feel like already for those 2 items, pretty good value for money so far. Moving on to my third clothing piece. Trousers or a skirt? Oh, it's a skirt. I really like this. How cool. This one is from Wallace and it's a size medium again, so really good, perfect sizing. I'm going to put this bag down here for a minute so I can actually see the items. It's like a nice leopard print zigzag skirt. I feel like it's really fun, really cool, and again perfect for kind of summer really, but I could probably try and make this work for winter. A nice black oversized jumper or something, but yeah, really, really like this. And I'm definitely surprised by the clothing in here. I feel like it would have been Primark, Shein, like really run down items, but the actual items in this bag are really good quality actually, so very happy with that. Moving on to another item of clothing from this mystery bag. Picked up this pink blouse from Papaya. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, I always say that really weird. I was in a size 12. Hello Doris. You've come to see the evidence, come to see what's really in these bags, have you? The main culprit for these bags is Doris, who's just joined me in the bedroom right now. Criminal always returns back to the scene, don't they? So here she is. I feel like I can definitely get away with wearing this for work, and I feel like it may also go really nicely with this skirt, kind of like tucked into it maybe to create a nice outfit. Definitely have to give that a go. My next item here is another skirt. Oh, no it's not, it's culottes. I used to love culottes back in the day. These ones are from Fat Face, they're in a size 12. Again, perfect for summer. A little bit too lightweight for me for winter, but if I ever go away on holiday over the next couple of months, I can definitely pack that with me. It's not culottes, I'm wrong. It's actually a skirt. I was just holding it weird. It's got like these slits down the side, which I thought was a little bit strange if they were like trousers when they're already short, but yeah. Got a little slit down the side, nice kind of like red and blue print all over it, which is really fun. Another item here, what do we have? Looks like a pair of shorts maybe? No, it is a blouse. Yeah. So this one is from Dorothy Perkins, again in a size 12. This one was the size 12 bag that I picked up. I think I picked up one size 12 and two size 14s. This one here is a nice like palm leaf summery blouse. It's kind of giving Stranger Things with the like detail in there. I'm not really sure if I'm loving this item, but I definitely can see myself possibly giving it a go towards summer next year. I'm not really sure though, but yeah. It's okay. I picked up some really cool things so far, like definitely better value for money than I thought it would be. And I'm guessing we've got an accessory here, this really nice green scarf, which kind of goes with what I'm wearing right now actually, so yeah, love that. Really nice lightweight material. It's got like a nice kind of like pattern in there. It's kind of looking quite smart actually. This one is from Art of the Scarf. For my first accessory, not too bad. I feel like these sort of scarves are perfect. You can wear them as a belt, you can wear them as a scarf, you can wear them as like a headband. There's so many ways you can wear these and I love them, so very, very happy with this one actually. Just a few more items left from this bag. We've got a set of coasters. These ones are from Bachelor's Button, the Leonardo collection. Not really sure what that is, but they look really nice. I feel like these look really cool in my kitchen actually. It's got a similar vibe for my kitchen. A set of 4 coasters, and they're kind of like this like paisley sort of print really, vintage sort of paisley print in like a cream and grey. Very nice. And they're basically brand new, so, you know, pretty cool. So in here again, possibly another accessory because it did say there's 2 accessories. So we've got a necklace. Oh, this is really cute. I love this. How cute is that? I really, really love this. Got like the pinks and blues in there. Comes with a little netted bag as well, which I love. Really cute necklace. I feel like this would definitely fit into my wardrobe really well. I'm gonna put it back in its little bag because that's really cute. I love that. But yeah, really happy with that. Very, very impressed. Moving on to the last item from this first bag, we've got a cookbook. So this one is Slow Cooker One Pot Casserole cookbook here, which I think my mum would definitely love. This time of year, cosy, wintry, hearty meals. I feel like this is definitely something she would appreciate. But then, you know what? I could learn a lot from these books. So altogether, I've got a book, I've got a set of coasters, a necklace, a scarf, summer top, a summer skirt, a blouse, a maxi skirt, play suit, and I've also got this black top. So very, very happy. All of this for £5, I think is a bargain, to be honest with you. That is the first bag, all complete. So let's move on to the second one. So as you can see, this is my second bag, which I picked up for £5 at the charity shop. This bag is literally deteriorating right in front of my eyes, but yeah, I'm going to head in for this one here because I feel like it's quite intriguing. This one is from Nutmeg. It's in a size 14. It's a nice summery white ruffled sleeved baby doll sort of top really. Feels almost brand new. I don't feel very worn at all. A little bit big for me, so I could possibly hand this down, or I can get away with wearing this kind of like as a dress in the summertime. Really nice little top. Another item from Nutmeg. This one here seems to be a jumpsuit, maybe, or a maxi dress. Yes, it is a jumpsuit. This one looks like it's from the clearance rail for £1.49. Yeah, either way, really cool little jumpsuit there. Got this nice like Aztec sort of print all over it, which was really, really popular a couple of years ago, so possibly could come back. Really nice. I feel like I can wear this with a nice denim jacket in the summer and some sliders. And again, in a really good condition. I can't see anything wrong with it. No holes, no marks, nothing. Moving on to another item from this bag. We've got a... I don't know if I like this. This is a lot. It's a floral blouse. I love the concept of this top, but I just don't feel like it's me at all. Especially this bit here is kind of a little bit weird. Out of all the items so far, this is definitely one that I just don't like at all. It's definitely not for me. But the one thing I think is really throwing me off this top is the centre bit here. It's kind of really strange. It has no purpose there. Like, it's got these little clips that kind of undo, but it doesn't unbutton or anything. So yeah, not 100% loving this, but you know, it is what it is. You just don't know what you're going to find in these bags. So we've got another item here. Kind of looks like curtains, but it's not. It's a blouse again. This one's from a brand, White Stuff, and it's in a size 14. Normally sizes in charity shops are a little bit hit and miss. Like 14 can be like really worn 14 and it fits like a 10 or a 12, or it could be brand new 14. And most of these items here are basically pretty much a brand new 14 and true to size. This one here is like a light blue polka dot detailed blouse with like, kind of looks like grass prints all over it, I guess. On the right person, I'm sure this will look really, really nice. I mean, if I was creative enough to try and find a way to style it, I mean, I'll give it a go. But yeah, as far as it stands, I don't think this is something that would suit me or anything that I currently own at all. But Yeah, I like the colour though. It's a really nice soft duck egg blue. Another clothing item, a new look item here. It's a brown full-sleeved loungewear top. This is definitely something that would be perfect in my wardrobe. I could wear this to my joggers and things like that, taking dogs for a walk. It's actually brand new, so yeah, really like that. I've got this like details on the bottom here. Perfect for this time of year. Out of the whole thing, I feel like this is probably something I wear the most. My next clothing item from this bag is, drumroll, a Per Una cotton blend blouse, I think it is. Yeah, I don't know if I can get away with wearing this. It's given like early 2000s with a big chunky belt maybe and some denim flares. I feel like I could maybe make this work. I don't think it's supposed to be off shoulder, but I could definitely kind of like convince the top to be off shoulder, if you know what I mean. But it's a nice blue kind of like Aztec print again. I don't know, I feel like I can kind of make this work for office wear, for work. We'll have to see. A lot of these items have definitely tested my creative side, that's for sure. So in here, oh, that's quite cool. I might as well show you this cup because you've seen the cup now. It's just a plain white cup from Sainsbury's. I can't really complain with that. I feel like a nice hot chocolate would go down well in this. So yeah, got myself another mug. And inside of the mug, we have these two items here. We've got a cotton body lotion with shea butter. It's brand new with the little cap on, so that's really good. And inside that cup also is possibly another scarf. So it kind of goes like that. Yeah. Don't think it's too bad actually. With the right outfit, I feel like this is really nice. I love the fact that it doesn't have an end on it. I can kind of just keep it around me because on a really windy day, the scarf flies everywhere and you guys know what it's like. So this one's kind of like looped around your neck and kind of permanently looking nice. So my last item from this bag is a book called After That Night from an author called Karen Slaughter. My first readable book. I'm sure if I start reading this book and I don't really like it, I can kind of donate it to one of those book libraries at work on the shelf and swap it for something else that I would like. So there's always that option. But yeah, this book here, if you guys have ever read this book or know about it, let me know what it's like. And again, that is the bag actually emptied. Again, it's completely devoured by Doris, having a little nose earlier in the month. Now moving on to my third and final bag. I'm really excited to see what's in this one. I feel like it's the most intact bag out of all of them. And to be honest with you, Josh did a really good job of putting things kind of back in where it needs to go. So yeah, pretty impressed with that as well. What are you doing? You gonna come up? You've got a little nugget on the bed. You want to show everyone your work. This is what you've done. What are you doing? Oh, they're so cute. How can you resist a little bit of love? So let's dive into this bag and see what's inside. Doris, this is really cute. I like this. It's kind of giving like, again, early 2000s vibe, like a nice kind of shawl over like that. I feel like it's really cute with like a nice little belt again. Did I see a tag there? Yes, I did. And it doesn't say where it's from. It's really glittery. It's really cute. So love that. How cute. I feel like this is really fun. I'm actually really enjoying this. A book here, Mars and Venus in Love by John Gray. Again, if you guys have actually read this book, let me know in the comment section if it's any good and worth giving it a little read. It looks like a love sort of story by look of it. So that's that one. And then let's just pick out what we've got going on in here. Some kind of dress. Yeah, it's like a high neck dress. Where is this one from? It's from Very, maybe from Very online. Yeah, really cool. It's like a black and beige weird splodge paint kind of design. But I really like this for some reason. I don't know why. Let's see what the front's like. Yeah, it just sounds like a nice dress really. I've got full sleeves on there, so perfect for this time of year. Moving on to this item here, looks really cool. Again, another like summery sort of item. It's from Spirit at M&Co. Perfect for like summertime with a nice bikini underneath and a pair of denim shorts. I feel like that'd be really cute to wear. So yeah, very happy with that one actually. I've got a few more pieces of clothes in here. This one here is a mini pencil skirt sort of thing. This one is from H&M in a size large. Very nice quality. It feels brand new. It's like a navy and white like patterned mini skirt, but yeah, really cute, really stretchy and kind of like a nice knitted thick material. So pair of tights, pair of boots, that would make a really nice outfit. And then we've got a plain navy oversized top. I could definitely just keep this for like doing things around the house, like painting, decorating, walking the dogs. Just a basic navy shirt from George. It's in a size extra large, so just a nice oversized shirt really. Next up we've got this, not really sure what this is again. Kind of a shawl or jacket. Yeah, it's a black shawl from Wallace in a size large. Kind of like 3/4 length sleeve. This is definitely early 2000s or late 2000s. I feel like a lot of girls in a couple of years above me in school used to wear these sort of things with a dress underneath. This would be quite nice to wear with like a backless dress to keep me nice and warm. This one is a jumpsuit again, possibly. It's from Marks and Spencer's portfolio. It is a dress, so it's like a black and white dress. Again, like a really nice quality material. Got this like stripe here which is really edgy and really cool. I actually really like this. Not something I would normally pick out for myself, but yeah, really cool. It's got this like, I don't know what this is. It's kind of like a, kind of looks maternity kind of wear, but yeah, not sure if it is or not. But yeah, it's like a full length, got like a nice wide flowy skirt bit on the bottom of the dress here. I feel like the design is really cool. I actually really like this. Surprisingly, I'm just not really sure on this centre bit there. I reckon once I put it on, it would look really cool. Let me know what you guys think. I love the concept of this like chest bit here, like the stripes going inwards like that with like the black belt. The last two items from this bag, we've got some kind of like bangle here. So it's like a silver and navy bangle, kind of quite stretchy, so really cool. It kind of looks like a slow worm, to be honest with you. Like, do you ever pick up a rock when you're a kid or a slab in the back garden and one of these just come out? It looks like an actual slow worm for some reason with like beads on it. I don't know if I like it or not, but it's definitely intriguing, that's for sure. And then the last item from this mystery bag haul is this cute little sign here that says believe in yourself, and it's like a nice wooden material which is really cute, so I could definitely put this on like a door handle around my house. It's probably one of my favourite homeware bits that I picked up. Yeah, that is the mystery bag officially all done. Hope you guys have enjoyed watching me share everything that was inside these bags. It's my first time ever actually shopping for these bags or even coming across them, to be honest, so I'm very, very happy with everything I picked up. So overall I spent £15. I would definitely do it again. Like, I don't feel like it was a bad experience. I'm pretty sure there are some bags out there that are probably contain some pretty hideous stuff, but I feel like the worst item from this bag, if I'm going to summarise, will probably be this shirt here, because again, this middle bit here makes absolutely no sense to the top itself. And my favourite item could possibly be, this scarf. I mean, it's really simple and basic out of everything I picked up, but it's definitely one of my favourite items because I feel like it's probably the item that I will use the most out of everything, to be honest. But yeah, other than that, I don't think I picked up anything too dreadful and inusable. Everything here is pretty much in a usable, great condition. So that has been my mystery bag charity shop haul. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've ever picked up one of these bags in your local charity shop, or, you know, what your favourite item was from this haul. And would I go out of my way to buy most of these items? Probably not, but I'm really happy with the items I have picked up, and I do feel inspired to wear them and use them in very creative ways. It would mean a lot to me if you guys give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. I am going to be filming a bigger charity shop haul for you guys very soon, and I'll be uploading that onto my channel next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon in my next video. Bye!